Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your TV using an HDMI. Alright, so let's get started. These are the things that you will need. You will need your Nintendo Switch, your Nintendo Switch dock, the Nintendo Switch power adapter, and an HDMI cable. Once your HDMI is connected, you want to grab your dock. We are going to turn the dock around. You're going to see this cover here. We are going to pull it. And if you look closely here, you'll see AC adapter, USB, and HDMI out. Then we are going to grab our HDMI cable and plug the HDMI in. Next, we'll plug the AC adapter. Just remember to plug your AC adapter into the wall. Once you have taken these off, we are going to grab the switch and slide it into the dock. Once it's connected, you will see the green light light up on the left of the switch. Once you have connected the HDMI to the TV, just keep in mind that you will also be able to hear it on your TV. If this video has helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and also consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.